Hello, second grade. My name is Brian Shevory, and I'm Declan Shevory's dad. I am a learning experience and assessment specialist at Thomas Edison State University. I'm responsible for creating various activities, assignments, and exams to assess students' learning for our classes. This means that I create tests and other assignments that require students to demonstrate how much they've learned in our classes. Students can demonstrate or show their learning in various or different ways. They might provide an explanation of a theory or concept in an essay or writing assignment. They can solve math or science problems. They can organize and complete an essay where they might compare the benefits and problems of a specific issue. Students often identify and define keywords and ideas from their classes, or they may analyze these important ideas by looking at different parts and seeing how these parts work together. When I create an exam, I need to organize much information to give the activity or assignment structure. I will create different categories based on the topics for the class, and then create an outline that shows how this information is distributed across the exam or activity. Having this kind of organization for the activities and assignments allows us to analyze the results from the students and see how much the students have learned from our classes. I also create study materials to help the students prepare for exams and assignments. The more specific information I provide for students, the better prepared the students can be to complete their assignments or exams and achieve excellent results.